Thanks for the invite, Tom. Can we bring anything?
Just a big appetite.
And when do you want us?
Come anytime after 7. Oh, what's that? Some sort of charging station?
Well, this is our Wallbox from BMW. And knowing you, Tom, you'll want to know all about it.
Well,
I better put the kettle on.
Oh, good idea. Coffee for me. Tom?
Sure.
So this little baby's got up to 9.6 kilowatts of charging power, a weatherproof design, 25-foot long cable, integrated cable management, and you can control the charging functions of the vehicle with the My BMW app. Boom.
Nice piece of equipment. I bet it was a pain to install though.
Not at all. It was professionally installed by a trained technician from Q-Merit.
Q-Merit also gave us an upfront estimate. All I had to do was fill in their online home assessment survey.
And if we have a question, their customer support's always there for us.
What if you're visiting a place with just a regular plug?
We also have a portable, flexible fast charger that has adapters to charge on a standard 120V outlet or a level 2 240V outlet. It's compact, waterproof, and has a charging power of up to 9.6 kilowatts.
But you must have to charge like 2 days in advance.
The My BMW app's got that covered. Just put in your destination and a departure time, and it gives you the time you need for charging.
Using AC charging and a Wallbox from BMW, you can get a full charge overnight.
One last thing. What if I set a destination out of the range? What then?
Great question.
This is where BMW Maps is the business. If you set your destination outside your electric range, time-optimized public charging stops along the route are added directly and displayed on the map.
But I like to blast my air conditioning. Surely that's a problem.
Well, we usually cool or heat the car before we leave while it's still plugged in. That way we still get maximum range, and the route planning can include that in its calculation.
And you can increase the range even more by driving at a slower speed. And the adaptive recuperation system in our car turns the energy lost during deceleration and braking into electricity and feeds it into the drive's high voltage battery.
But what about charging for longer distances? Or a long road trip?
That question makes me thirsty. Oh, please.
Thank you.
The thing is, Tom, the range in new electric cars is getting better all the time. Sure, for a road trip you need to do a little planning. That's really easy. You just enter the destination and the system will do the planning for you.
And with BMW charging, we have access to an ever-growing number of public charging stations, including the high-power ones. And it's super easy to search for them. I can filter for which providers to prefer along the whole route.
What's the ideal DC charging level?
Took the words right out of my mouth.
Although lower or higher charging levels are possible, the range between 10 and 80% is recommended for optimizing the life of your battery. In your vehicle menu or the My BMW app, you can easily and conveniently set your charge target to 80% and you don't have to worry about anything else.
You mentioned BMW charging. How's that?
You get products and services for charging at home or in public. Your BMW is compatible with the majority of public charging stations. Charging stations can be found via BMW Maps or in the My BMW app.
There are benefits with some charging providers when you purchase a new BMW EV, like complimentary charging at Electrify America stations.
Gotta take this. Hey, darling. Sorry, I lost track of time. I'll be right there. First guest have arrived. I better dash. I'll see you later, yeah?
Remember, Tom, we're always here for questions.
And there's lots more info in the other videos.